Greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be helping you about year-end adjustments, income received in advance, right? Income received in advance. Like income received in advance, like for example, let's say you are a business, right? That it's giving people a place to stay where they rent. So if someone pay you for 2 months, the other months, that means that person is paid in advance. You as a business, you have received in advance. That is exactly, or that is the better way. Maybe I can put an explanation or the meaning of income received in advance, but you can tell the statement, it's explanatory itself, so you can understand it, I guess. So let's see in terms of accounting what's happening here. They gave us pre-adjustment trial balance of dollar traders as at 30 June 2022. Okay. And then the additional information says on the 1st of November 2021, dollar traders let a portion of its building to tenant and received year's rent of 12,000 rent, right? So now, in terms of this, because we received money of 12,000 for 12 months, right? But if you can check that the tenant's period is not the same as ours. So the months that are going to be after our accounting period, they are received in advance for our business, right? So if you can check the months that are under our business is from 1st of November 2021 to 30 June. So we're going to count how many months, right? November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. 8 months, right? From my side, 8 months, okay? So it means 8 months is within my period. 4 months is out of our accounting period. Therefore, that 4 months, it's received in advance, okay? So let's see how much is the rent for 8 months, which is within our accounting period, okay? Rent for 12 months there, it's going to be 12,000 divided by 12 multiplied by 8, and then we're going to get 8,000 rent. We're going to get 8,000 rent today. 8,000 rent, it's the money that is within our period or within our accounting period that qualifies to go to the income and expenditure. But now, how much is the money received in advance? The money that we're going to say it's income received in advance. IRIA, it's stand for income received in advance, right? So our IRIA is equal to this is equal to 12,000 divided by 12 multiplied by how many months are in advance? They are 4. 8 within, 4 out, which are in advance. So we're going to multiply by 4, right? Then you will get your answer there. So it's going to be 4,000 rent. So income received in advance is 4,000 rent. And then the amount that qualifies to go to our income and expenditure is 8,000 here, okay? And then the amount that qualifies, that is received, that we received from the tenant, is 12,000. Is 12,000. So when we record here, we're gonna go under income and expenditure and say rent income. or rent received, rent income, or you can say rent received. We're going to record 8,000 because it's the one that qualifies to go to income and expenditure because it's the money that is within our accounting period, okay? And then income and expenditure, I mean, now we go to receipt and payments. The amount for income and expenditure is 8,000. For receipt and payments, it's going to be the total amount that we have received. The total amount that we have received that the tenant has paid it to us. It's going to be a rent. It's going to be rent received. Rent received of 12,000, right? 12,000 rent. 12,000 rent. 12,000 rent, which is equal to, it's given there, but I'm just doing this calculation so that people can know and maybe with better understanding, plus the 4,000. That is what we received. Remember I said to you, in the income and expenditure, you recorded the money that you have received. Whether you received for the next 3 years coming, you just record as long as you have received, irregardless of there's another money that is received in advance or paid in advance, right? So let's proceed. Let's proceed to the statement of financial position. Under statement of financial position, you are going to record income received in advance. Actually, this is going to go under current liabilities. Ne? Current liabilities, and then you're going to say income received in advance. Income received in advance. Of how much? Of 4,000. Of 4,000. Okay. Income received in advance of 4,000. Why are we saying it's a liability? Because the person has paid more money in advance, right? So, like for instance, if that person did not stay with you for those months, he can claim that money and cancel a contract with you and go and find another landlord, right? So that is why we are holding an additional amount of 4,000 that is received in advance. Therefore, we are owing those people that they should stay for those remaining 4 months. Therefore, we can have that money of 4,000. It can be our asset, but in the meantime, it's a liability because we are owing those people for 4 months of staying with us or renting with us. You understand? So that is why it is a liability. I hope I tried to explain it better. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click the ring button so that whenever I post a video, you get a notification and continue learning. Salute.